Honking Machinery International Business Co., Limited is a modern machinery manufacturing enterprise that integrates scientific research, development, manufacturing, sales, and service. We have professional technical personnel with many years of experience in mechanical design and development, as well as high-quality management personnel, and hold multiple national invention patents. We primarily produce 2 cubic meters, 3 cubic meters, 4 cubic meters, and 5 cubic meters self-loading concrete mixers, and 3.5 T to 1 to T off-road forklifts. The self-loading concrete mixers feature quick discharge, manpower savings, full-time 4-wheel drive, and excellent passing ability. The off-road forklifts are 4-wheel drive, resistant to getting stuck, and suitable for various complex terrains. Additionally, we can independently develop and customize various special-type mixers according to users' actual needs. Our products sell well across the country and are exported to many countries in Southeast Asia under the guidance of the corporate philosophy of taking science and technology as the guide to make the environment more harmonious, using innovation as the driving force to make human life better, and the business belief of quality management leading technology. We use unknown excellent products and scientific and efficient management, high quality and standardized services. We have developed into an outstanding enterprise with reliable quantity. Our products sell well nationwide and are exported in batches to Southeast Asia and many other countries and regions. Supported by mature cross-border supply chains, customs clearance coordination, and international logistics capabilities, our company always adheres to the business philosophy of customer first and reputation first, continuously improving the process flow, enhancing product performance, and upgrading product quality to provide customers with fast and accurate after-sales service.